Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. In today's episode, we're going to learn useful English phrases for telephone and online conversations. Let's get started. Here are some useful phrases. Hello, this is... May I speak to... Can you hear me clearly? Could you repeat that, please? Thank you for your time. These phrases are commonly used in phone calls and online meetings. Hello, this is Sarah speaking. B replies, Hi, Sarah. Can you hear me clearly? A says, Yes, I can. B replies, Great, let's begin. These are natural phrases used in professional and everyday conversations. Now it's your turn. How do you answer a phone call? What would you say if you couldn't hear someone clearly? You can pause the video if you need more time. Then comment your answers below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next lesson.